And news now from Faridabad, where a Mahindra car drowned in the water-filled old Faridabad underpass. The HDFC bank manager and cashier, these two lost their lives. The deceased Punyashree Sharma, he was the manager at the Sector 31 branch of the bank in Gurugram, and Viraj Dwivedi, he was the cashier. This accident occurred while they were returning from Gurugram. My colleague Anushka Garg joins us to get us more on this. Anushka, what are the details of this entire story? And this is clearly yet another case of civic apathy there.
Well, certainly, Osama, this seems to be yet another case of civic negligence. Let me get you the visuals first. You can clearly see that the barricadings have now only been installed by the police. According to the residents who are living here, this whole barricading has been done after the incident happened. Let me show you the visuals from the underpass also. You can clearly see that a tractor has been lodged here to suck out all the water that has been logged in this whole underpass. And this underpass is ever known for its waterlogging problems. Two office goers yesterday came through this route to go to their home and painfully lost their lives. The residents only helped in the rescue operation as well, while the police came here, and then after that they barred the whole road for public usage. But till then, the only help that the people who were drowning were getting were from the residents who are living here. And after they saw the car that was drowning and people screaming for help, they only went there. They took out the first person, that was Punyashree Sharma, but then the driver, that was Viraj, was still stuck inside the water. After hours of finding him, they found him inside the underpass, and then yet after 4 to 5 hours he was already dead inside. And then they took Punyashree Sharma to the hospital, BK hospital, and then he was declared dead there. You can clearly see the visuals from here, the poor situation of this whole underpass, where people usually take this route to go from one place to another, but right now you can clearly see what kind of a condition is here. No sanitation, no hygiene, severe waterlogging issues. And according to the residents here, this is not the solo case that has happened, but because two people drowned here and died, that is why this place is getting a lot of light right now. But also before also, when they used to complain about this whole incident, nobody used to come here and take care of this whole situation. Thousands and crores of money gets spent here in the name of development of this whole place, but yet another, we can see the condition that taxpayers have to pay here. And you can also see the kind of condition that has that we can see here. Clearly a very big negligence that has been made by the civic authorities. Back to you, Sama.